as she became aware that she was absent, she engages attention towards phenomena and what you call that she's going towards self-observation. Yeah, aware of thoughts, aware of the energy, aware of sounds. It's not quite yet self-remembering, yeah? It's the transitional stage. It's still an excellent stage. It's a transitional stage. You want to say anything on this? How to...
Yes, it's such a wonderful thing we're having this discussion, because much as we try, you can't actually explain or describe what consciousness, being conscious of being conscious, is. We think of it always in terms of the body or the mind, the thought, emotion, sensation. What I would add, Mihai, is I was hesitating before because we haven't described, I don't know how familiar everyone is with the idea of the four centers in the fourth way, of the mind and the body. The fourth way delineates the mind as having two parts, the thoughts, the intellectual center, and the emotions, the emotional center. And then the body is having two parts, a moving center and an instinctive center. So there are actually four parts of for the body and mind. And each of them has different levels of attention. And so it's like, imagine a house with 3 floors. And on the bottom floor is the instinctive and moving center. On the middle floor is the emotional center, and the top floor, intellectual center. Actually, that's not what I want to say. On the bottom floor is where we have almost no attention in our centers. And in the middle floor, our attention is there, but it's still, we're not quite controlling it. It's more guiding us around. But on the top floor, we have attention. We have full attention. And awareness is up on the, self-remembering is up on the roof. It's up in the air. It's right there at the top of the house. And so when we can't be just conscious as consciousness, we can try to get up to the 3rd floor with our attention and use our attention in the moment. And that is what Nicole was describing a little bit. She now knew with her attention, she was looking for things and trying to notice things with attention. And so attention, controlled attention, for the purpose of bringing us to self-remembering is very useful. Those are the work guides as Mihai was describing. It's just hard to convey a lot of this until you have the terminology to speak the language, just of what we're talking about. In simple terms, being attentive to the moment and to what's going on in the moment, whether it's inside of us or outside of us, is excellent. And self-remembering is right up there, just past the roof. But I wanted to say now, Mihai, I would be interested to hear from some other people. What about their experience when you try to remember yourself? If that's what you've been trying to do, this last week, or what have you noticed? How would you describe it in your experience? What happens when you, in a moment, realize you had not been there and you come back? What happens next?
Yeah,